Everybody, hope everybody's having a good January and welcome to February already. Hard to believe we're already a month into 2024. Just wanted to give out a market update for the January numbers. Sales up 4,223 sales. That's up 33% from last year, January 2023. We're also looking at new listings are also slightly up. Month over month sales, we're looking at, again, listings up, sales a tad higher, which explains why we're seeing tightening of the market, so to speak. December, there was a little bit more of a relaxed market, but now we're seeing buyers continue to come into the market, gobble up some of these sales, and listings haven't caught up just yet. But we are noticing from the on the ground activity, more people inquiring about selling their home. Stagers seem to be busy, photographers, cleaners. So I think there is some incoming inventory over the next few weeks that we will see as we get into the spring months. Price, $1,023,703 is the average price for January. So looking at the actual percentages, housing sales and breaking them down into categories, housing sales 30% up in January, and condominium sales surprisingly 40% up. So if you recall in my market update last month or even in December, we're talking about inventory building up for condos especially, and we were at over 5 months worth of inventory, which is more of a buyer's market, so to speak. Inventory has gone from like 5.5 for condos all the way down to about 3.3. So again, condos tightening up. That doesn't mean we're seeing condo prices soar. It just means there's more competition, and these units are now moving. Let's see if that continues. We are looking at more inventory coming in for the condos over the next few months. A lot more completions. New builds, for example, are going to be finished soon, and they're going to come on the market. There's a story where one building on Mercer Street downtown has 140 leases in the building. It's a brand new build on Mercer Street, 140 units for lease. I mean, I can't imagine with the rental market being a little slower right now and this time of year being slower, I can't imagine they're all going to get leased. And so, some of those units are going to go up for sale. And we're going to see more of that in newer buildings coming out where the landlords the investors try to be landlords and lease them, but they may not be able to as quickly as they want to. So then they put them for sale, which will then increase the condo inventory. So keep an eye on that. In terms of houses, in specific neighborhoods of the city, we are seeing bidding wars, and we're seeing stories of lineups. I've seen it myself going to visit homes, whether it's in Hyde Park or Leslieville, Danforth area, Withrow Park. There's people lining up to get into homes for open houses. Yes, it's busy. Again, these homes are getting offers, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the price of these homes is being pushed up considerably at the moment. Prices are staying flat from pretty much September till now. They're the same. Let's see if that trend continues. I suspect it will. Yes, we all are expecting rates to come down, but when? I doubt it's going to be in the next couple months, more so in the summer and towards the end of the year. Let's see what happens with that. Let's see what happens with possibility of recession and whatnot. And we'll see how the market plays out. But for the next couple months, I anticipate that there'll still be some competition for those renovated, ready to move in houses in those sought after neighborhoods, and a decent amount of demand for condos in prime locations as well. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, as always, feel free to DM me. Happy to chat. Have a great day.